In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Steam Cloud Sync error on Dota 2. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make two quick disclaimers. The first one is that there are various reasons on why you might be having this issue. So in this video, I'm going to present a bunch of answers that might help you. And the second one is that, as you can clearly see, I don't even have Dota 2 installed on this computer, but this is for demonstration purposes only, and I'm going to present to you the instructions on how to fix it, even though I can't reproduce the error myself right now. So when you have the Steam Cloud Sync error on Dota 2, the cloud status, as you can see over here, next to the play button when you select Dota 2 on your library, will have a warning sign. The first and basic step that you need to take is to click the cloud status. So just left click this and it's going to give you a pop-up asking you if you want to retry the sync. Select yes and retry the sync and try launching Dota 2 again to see if it works. If that doesn't solve the issue, what you might want to consider is to turn off the Steam Cloud. You can do so by selecting Steam, Settings, going into Cloud, and then disabling Steam Cloud, or you can just right-click Dota 2 individually, go into the Properties, and from here, disable Steam Cloud for Dota 2 only if you don't want Steam Cloud disabled for your other games. After you disable Steam Cloud for Dota 2, if that helps, just launch the game, and if it's still giving you the out of date or the cloud sync error, go into the local files and verify the integrity. As you can see, it's going to give me this error because, like I said, I don't have the game installed, but as long as you do, it's going to verify all the files of your Dota 2 installation, and if it finds any faulty files, it's going to replace them and fix the issue for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Steam Cloud Sync error on Dota 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.